What's going on? I'm Don Watson, the Weed Stock Investor. I'm going to bring you guys the Curaleaf Holdings. Now, their stock ticker is CURLF. They're absolute must-have on your stock watch list for 2019. Now, if you was already watching them, you can see that their stock price just shot up because they just announced that they're going to be, Curaleaf says, hemp products to be sold at CVS stores. I'm going to bring you guys that story. That's the biggest news coming out of Curaleaf now. I'm also bringing you some news from the CEO, some of the things he said. He was on a YouTube channel. I'm going to bring you some news from him. But however, if you don't have them on your watch list, all the shows that you guys have seen that come on my show are stocks that are absolute must buy. Also, I try to simplify it for you. I'm not going to throw no big, huge charts and no technical jargon that you don't understand. I'm going to make it very simple for you. They are a must-have, they're a long-term investment, and they're a pretty safe stock. They're already in 11 states, and they have a license for another one. They're just expanding. This is Donald Washington. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you guys the website. I'm going to bring you guys the products. So this is the news here. Here you go. Curaleaf says hemp products to be sold at CVS stores. Curaleaf saying his deal, CVS to get report to begin selling hemp products at 800 stores in 10 states. The Massachusetts-based cannabis company announced a distribution deal during its conference call Wednesday to discuss its fourth quarter results. Hemp lotions, patches, be sold starting this week. Company's executives said, "This is big." Curaleaf posted fourth quarter revenue of $32 million, up $6.3 million a year earlier. 4 cents shared. The company reiterated that the revenue next year would be about $400 million. CVS did not confirm that Curaleaf's hemp products would be sold in the store, but the email Market Watch said, "We are a partner with CBD product manufacturers that are complying with applicable laws to meet CVS's high standard of quality." CVS shares jumped 16%. Wow, 16%. So this is all the states that Curaleaf is in now. We got Arizona, California. Notice all the states where recreational marijuana is legal or medical marijuana is legal. Florida, Ohio, Massachusetts, Maryland, New York. Look at the large states. We're talking California, New York. Look how big they are. Look how many people you got. You got Nevada, of course, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Maryland, New York, Ohio. This is their website. Get to know, as I tell you guys, once you guys invest in the company, investigate the website, find out more about it, do your own research. So now, this is their product here. Some of their products. Vape oils and concentrate, flour, pre-rolled and flower pods, topical lotions, capsules, edibles. Wow, they're doing everything with CBD oils, cannabis. Wow, oil, inhalation, topical. So, what I tell you guys is get to know their products, get to know what they're doing. This is some of their brands. Oh yeah, I see people using those vapes. I see people using those vapes all the time. Wow. I'm over 21. All right, so you know what? Let me bring you guys the CEO. I'm gonna bring you guys
company and the assets that you have going on right now. Yeah, sure. So Curaleaf is a U.S. vertical cannabis operator. We operate in 10 states presently, and we'll enter 2 more states this year. And we are vertical, so 90% of what we cultivate and manufacture, we sell in our own dispensaries. Our footprint extends on the East Coast from Maine down to Florida. We also have some operations in Arizona, Nevada, and Oregon. And we're trying to create a national brand in cannabis. We want to be the most significant retailer of cannabis in the country underneath the Curaleaf brand. And as you pointed out, we are really pleased to say that we've done the largest equity raise in U.S. cannabis history. We've taken capital from over 100 institutions around the globe, and we're excited to put that money to work to create a tremendous amount of shareholder value.
Great. So one thing I was wondering is if you could comment on the share structure a little bit. So how many shares out, and what's the float looking like right now, if you know?
Sure. So we have 458 million shares outstanding. And Christine, what's the float?
508.5 million on a fully diluted basis.
508 million on a fully diluted basis, and we raised 400 million at a $4 billion pre-money valuation.
Okay. So in terms of management, U.S. Okay. In terms of management ownership on a percentage basis, can you comment on?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Happy to do that. So our executive chairman, Boris Jordan, owns about just under 40% of the business, and then we have a couple other shareholders that own close to about 80% of the business in total. Management has 10% of the company, and then there's about 10% that was owned by some early angel investors in the company, which was previously called Paleotech. And so that's really the cap table, and then we just floated 10% on the street at 400 million. So that's how it all breaks down.
Okay, so that sounds good. I just wanted to get you to comment on your brands for a minute here. You've got some hemp interest, as well as Curaleaf, which is the mainstream cannabis brand. Why not just give our viewers an overview of what the branding situation looks like for Curaleaf?
Yeah, so I mean, Curaleaf today is 98% medical cannabis, and so we're very much a THC company, if you will, or THC CBD, grown under state compliant medical marijuana laws. But we have just recently also launched Curaleaf Hemp. That's our new CBD line, and that product is manufactured using isolate grown in Kentucky and Arizona, and that's a
I want you guys to take a look. I'm going to put that link in the description box so you guys could do some research and listen to him. He's going to tell a little bit more about their products, where they're selling it, how many states they're selling it in. People swear by their products. For those of you, go to the Yahoo message boards, go to big charts, check out their charts. Check out some of the stuff, the new stuff that they're coming out with, and their expansion. But this is definitely going to be one of the top stocks of 2019. Definitely something to watch and put on your watch list. Anyway, any of you guys got any information on this stock, go ahead, put the link in the description box. Share with everyone else. Share your links that you have. Share your news in the description box. People are sending me stuff to Facebook. My email is in the description, not the description box, but the you can go up to the About page on my YouTube channel. You guys can send me stories to my email, and you guys can send me stuff to my Facebook, and put it in the comments. Discuss everything. Also, go to the Yahoo message boards. See what news is coming out. Try to get the jump on the news before everybody flocks to certain news. This is something I'm definitely going to be invested in, and this is something I'm definitely want you guys to put on your watch list and take a look. Anyway, I want you guys to like, comment, let me know what you think about this video. Peace.